Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Quadratic equation.
What does the dictionary say?
Involving the square and no higher power of the unknown quantity of the second degree.
Math rap.
An equation with this component, the variable is squared, so 2 is the highest exponent. Like 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 equals 19. In most quadratic equations, the variable x is seen.
Math rap.
Houses in our area have no basements or attics, but there are 4 houses in a row on our street with attics. We call them the QUADRATICs. Explain quadratics in your own words. Solve x in the following quadratic equation. 3x squared plus 4x equals 63 equals 0. Create 5 more quadratic equations of your own. Share them. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!